we are ThinkForce.
Jane is a lady with dominant personality working as senior claim assessor. Her daily responsibility is to process claim fairly and timely. Every day, Jane needs to confront challenges to determine the genuine claims in high volume of data manually. Her team also juggling with increasing amount of fraud claim investigation. So, the main problem having by Jane and her team is the current operational framework, which is relies heavily on manual handling, receiving thousands of claims daily to be resolved within the promised timeline, which create the bottleneck: assessment, settlement, and fraud detection. So, the first pain point having by Jane is extracting information to not miss any information from documents such as the medical report, bills, diagnostic report, and many more. So the next pain point suffered by Jane and her team is when the number of claims grows, it becomes cost hiring to get the additional headcount to handle the extra workloads. The third pain point is an accurate approach to detect the individual line item to suspect one of the committed fraud. So the current workflow conducted by Jane and the team is as showing. Okay, the first step is claim intimation, which involves the claim submission from the customer. After the submission by the customer, claim will be initially assessed by the TPA between the day 1 until day 3. After assessment by the TPA, Gap B will take over the claim, and outcome of assessment from the Gap B will be either claim finalized, either approved, reject, or claim incomplete. During the assessment by Gap B or TPA, if suspicious information 1 is detected, it will trigger the fraud detection, and the fraud detection will lead to the investigation.
The involvement of TPA has helped us to ensure we have enough resources to handle high inflow of claims. However, it involves high cost, and it is almost impossible to ensure correct and consistent claims assessment throughout a team of 30 assessors. With AI, we can automate claims processing, creating a single point of contact to perform claims assessment with high accuracy and consistency. One of the most common type of misrepresentation of claims involve the repetition of the same document, alter a few information to create a falsified document. It requires a collective memory of all assessors to be able to detect such fraud. With AI being the single point of contact of all claims, documents, and data, we can easily detect such activity using systematic images and data comparison. With AI, we are aiming to remove involvement of TPA, saving cost and time for human labor, and increase consistency and accuracy throughout the workflow.
So, what will happen next? The process begins when a customer submitting the claim documents in the portal. Our AI model designed to streamline the claim process for ID documents, which means no human review needed. It kicks off by abstracting the line items from the claims and then dives into a deeper analysis to check for any errors. If it finds something off, the claims get flagged as incomplete. But if everything looks good, it smoothly moves on to the automated processing. Plus, this model is all about localization for medical documents, decoding text bit by bit, and applying smart logic to map those line items to the right claim benefits. This means less time spent on manual reviews and more time focusing on what really matters. Best of all, this process is real-time and can settle in the same day.
Once claim automation went smoothly, we will start to train AI for fraud detection. The AI training will include data training, language, and also pattern matching. There are a lot of data need to be read by AI, such as patient's name, ID, date of admission, date of discharge, diagnosis, medical report, hospital name, doctor stamp, doctor signature, doctor handwriting, and etc. For language training, we will train AI both English and Bahasa because both languages are our main language used in Malaysia. For pattern matching, it is a scanning process from the previous proven fraud case. However, we may face some challenges during this training process because different hospitals will use different format in medical report, such as some of the hospital using computerized system and some of the hospital using handwritten system. Thus, throughout this process, of course, we will do close monitoring to ensure smooth and continuous process. Once AI read all those info, we will sort it into risk scorings. For low risk score, it will go to human for further checking and approval. But for high risk score, it will go to further investigation under fraud investigation. Of course, before the case comes to human, AI will be trained to produce a summary from what it read from the previous process. By using AI, we can start to do fraud investigation 7 days earlier than manual process.
Our AI model highlights significant advancement achieved in operational efficiency through the implementation of streamlined processes. First, process time have been reduced up to 70% from 5 to 10 working days to 1 to 3 calendar days, resulting in a remarkable enhancement of productivity and resources allocation. These improvements have led to substantial cost saving in human resources, effectively equal to the elimination of our entire third-party administrator, which consists of 33 headcounts. In our ongoing commitment to enhance operational efficiency, we uphold the integrity of our claims process, particularly concerning the reduction of the claims loss ratio to near zero. Additionally, we have successfully streamlined the fraud claim handling time frame and benefit from data unification, effectively reduce the overall duration required to process such claims into half. Through reporting and analysis, the solution aims to protect the organization while fostering a proactive approach to fraud prevention. For Jane and other claim assessors, this solution will, first, increase efficiency and productivity. Second, reduce unnecessary workload. Third, enhance decision making. Last but not least, improve customer experience.